Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will show you my today's strategy, how I'm trading the British pound dollar. I will show you the boom and crash strategy and the strategy that I like to trade every single month when we have a GDP report. So let me start from the beginning. So the first thing that I want you to see when you trade is to add on your chart relative strength index indicator and start to watch on daily chart. As you can see right now, we have a daily relative strength index in bearish move, so the trend is clearly bearish. But the beautiful thing is you can see how price is going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and all that in the cycles. So we will need to use this cycle. So how and what we are doing right now? I will just show you on the hourly chart to understand better the whole situation. So right now we can see on the chart that we had a strong bearish move the last week. In the Monday we have recovery, and that we touched the 1.27 price level. After that we want to see another bearish cycle, and we saw it, and we touched the new low at the 1.2612. So as you know, after that we in the cycle have uptrend, and uptrend started today. I entered last night one beautiful trade, and I closed it early morning, and I made I think 30-40 pips. But what's happened? Today we had a GDP report, and if we see just right now, the GDP report was at 2:30 GMT plus 1, and we had excellent news for US dollar. Because of that, we expected to see the strong bearish move. However, using my knowledge and all these previous moments, I will show you one trick. The first thing that you need to do every single time to draw the resistance. This is the resistance level. What I like during the GDP is that always price touch the resistance trend line. If you don't believe me, just go, for example, and March this year, the last week, and watch what's happened. The same pattern exactly like this. But right now we have in June this pattern that is really clear. However, one thing is very uncommon for beginner traders. So in the moment when we had the news, we can see the bullish candle instead of bearish candle. Why is that? If you don't know, when you have a GDP results are always combination of several results, and usually on the chart we see the limited upside or limited decline after the news, and only after 1 hour we see the move. So look this, when the news was coming, we were on the level 265, and after that we had almost 20 pips up, and price touched this resistance to the pip. Please see 1, 2, 3, 4. To draw a line you need 2 spots, but here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 4 dots are very important to understand. This is not by accident. This is something that big dogs did in the market. So after when price touched here, what I did, I enter into trade, and I'm bearish. So I made a sell trade just on this line. Actually, I created several trades just if I miss for 1 or 2 pips, but on the end I'm by average I'm around 1.267, and after that 1 hour after that we have a bearish candle. So what we can expect to see price at least in this area here, maybe more, maybe up to 1.26, but today I expect to see the drop of at least 20 to 30 pips to the end of this day. And this can be very good trade. Actually, right now you can enter into trade and you will be on the right side and with the proper risk reward ratio, because as you know, the stop loss is here and this is the target. So what I want to tell you related to this boom and crash thing, the most important thing is step number one. You need to recognize the cycles on daily chart, and you need to find this up, down, up, down, up, down all the time. When you do that, then you go the bigger picture and you see that down, up, down, up, down on the chart. And you will see that the down phase is always bigger than up phase because overall the price and the trend is bearish. And but most important thing, all these resistance levels you can spot very easily. As you can see, for example, if we just do this, you will see that all these resistance levels are on one trending line. So this is something that is really, really excellent. So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye bye.